She's super happy this morning. We have to go get you some food. I'm out of dry dog food. Amtrak didn't deliver when they were supposed to yesterday. Oh, look at that. Is she happy or what? Ah, no. I didn't know that's what she was on. I'm sorry, you holding on?
Yeah, you might want to drink, get it.
Yeah. Precious, come. Here. Precious, come here. Precious, come. Get over here. Okay, let's go. Beautiful dog. She's only 17 months old. She's just full of energy. And she's been playing in the park for an hour. Go get the squirrel. She's chasing the squirrels. Precious. Here. Oh, wow. She's chasing these squirrels. Look at her. She got them all up in the trees scampering. They said, run for cover. I gotta try to make it up there. Let's see. Let's see how my traction is. Pretty good. These shoes are good. But let's see what we can do here. I was trying to see if I could prop the camera up. Why is the light on? Hey, you. Let's stop.